It's we are good neighbors, and we support Pakistan efforts to safeguard the territorial integrity and sovereignties. And so, as neighbors of China, of Pakistan and India, we hope that the conflict can be settled through dialogue and consultation, and the last peace and stability can be preserved in this part of the world, and it's in the fundamental interest of not only Pakistan and India, but also in the interest of all countries in this region. And also this is an expectation of international communities. We hope that with our concentrated efforts, and the peace and stability can be preserved, and the development can be achieved in these areas. Thank you.